channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be making Oreo ice cream. We're going to be using some Oreos, ice cream powder, some milk, and we have the sweetened condensed milk, and we broke these Oreos, and let's get started. First we need some milk. Now let's do this ice cream powder. Start to open. Now we're putting in the ice cream powder. Now we're gonna mix it. We have this mixer here. Done, I guess. Okay. Get this out. Now we're gonna put in half of condensed milk. We're putting in the condensed milk. Now we're gonna mix it again. Like that. Now it's done. Looks like cream. Put this down here. So we took, now we're gonna put the Oreos in. We took Now we're gonna put in the Oreos. We took 3 packages and we broke them. Let's put them in. Now we mix it with this spoon. Okay. Now I think it's done mixing. Now we are gonna put it in this mold. Put it in. Don't you do. Now we're gonna smooth it out so it can be so like smooth. I guess. We do this egg just so good. Now it smooths out. So let's put it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Now we're gonna smooth it out so it can be so like smooth. I guess. We do this egg just so good. Now it smooths out. So let's put it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Sorry guys, I'm doing the voiceover because I can't hear anything. Now we are gonna open it. Here it is. It looks like a beautiful cake. And now we're gonna decorate it with Oreos. Here it is. It looks like a cute face. Alright guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up and share it with your friends.